Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HMD Skyline and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. To do that, swipe out the screen and open Settings application. Now we scroll down and look for our accessibility where we have magnification selection. In it we must turn on magnification shortcut option, confirm by OK, and that's all. Now we can tap on our magnification and zoom our screen by tap on the screen. You can change position of your zoom using two finger and swiping on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or to turn off it we must press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.